I'm going to show you how to do a lens correction and also some vignetting on a photo. So I've got this sample photo of the church taken in Scotland. I'm going to start always by, of course, duplicating my layer. So lens correction is done here through filter, and it's right there, lens correction. Takes you into this screen, and you go across to the custom area over here for lens correction, and then you've got a lot more options that are in there. Do your perspective first. So what you can do is you can change here. You see the vertical, and I can actually straighten this church out so that it looks like it's standing a little bit straighter. And then you can also do a horizontal, and you see how I can just pivot that so that the church is a little bit more on. So just play with those numbers until you've got it where it's looking good. And then your vignetting, you've got this darkening and lightening part right here. And so vignetting is super easy. You want to darken it, and so you just drag that slider down, and you can see that my edges, my corners are now darker. And if you want it to be even more yet, then you can change your midpoint, so it just keeps getting darker and darker and darker. In the center is the light point, or you can pretty much have it down to nothing. So just make it until it looks good to you, where you've got a little bit of vignetting on your corners. Hit your OK button, and you are officially done